The momentum just keeps on rolling in what is shaping up to be a monster year for Xbox. And to kick things off the right way, we're going to take a look at something that is part of an ever-growing collection of unique controller designs and is in fact the third entry into the transparent Cipher series. This is the Pulse Cypher Special Edition Xbox Wireless Controller. Let's start with the front, and right away you get an appreciation for that familiar Cipher design language. You can see the transparent red top case and matching side caps, retaining that translucent shell look that reveals the metallic silver interior parts of the controller. And I think that ability to see the intricate internal mechanics of the controller is what everyone fell in love with on the previous Cipher controllers. And if I'm being honest, I had no idea what was on the inside of an Xbox Wireless controller, but now I do. Then as we move down, you'll see the red metallic D-pad framed by a subtle dark red accent. And that's something you'll see as we move around the different parts of the controller, the way the varying shades and tones of red have been incorporated into the body of the design. Honestly, having it right in front of me, it's just fun to look at. But it's not just about looks, even though it does look pretty spectacular. The D-pad feels snappy and responsive, exactly what you need for those quick directional inputs in platformers and fighting games, so it's definitely still gonna tick the box of performance. Then there are the two-tone thumbsticks with a fitting color combination of a more vibrant red base and darker red tops. It's comfortable, it's grippy, it just feels good in your hands, and that's important, right? If you're gonna use a controller regularly, whether it's for those hours-long gaming sessions or just a quick run before dinner, it's gotta feel comfortable enough to where you almost forget that it's even there. If you wanna personalize your setup even further, the Xbox Accessories app is the perfect companion to help you customize button mapping to suit whatever playstyle you prefer. And don't forget that dedicated share button right there in the center. It makes capturing and sharing your best gaming moments easy and fast, just like that. On the top is the familiar Xbox Wireless Controller textured triggers in a metallic red. And just next to the triggers is the pair button. Now, if you've never used an Xbox Wireless Controller before, this button allows you to effortlessly pair and switch between devices. So whether you're using one of the newer Xbox consoles like the Xbox Series X or the Series S, Xbox One, a Windows PC, even an Android or iOS device, having Xbox Wireless and Bluetooth technology is what keeps you sorted on console, PC, and mobile gaming. You'll also see the USB-C port where you can plug in a USB-C cable for a wide connection, or attach an add-on like the stereo headset adapter if you're looking for a better audio experience. Flip it over and you'll notice the rubberized red grips on the back case. Now notice how they don't wrap all the way around, and this is a good thing because that would take away from the translucent effect of the controller. So now you get a better view of all the internal workings on the back. However, the plastic itself is textured and it's actually quite hard to tell where one starts and the other one finishes. So you get the best of both worlds. And these grips are what give you that extra stability and make the controller feel more secure in your hands. Kind of what you want really, especially during the longer gaming sessions. Speaking of longer gaming sessions, the Pulse Cypher Controller can power you through with up to 40 hours of battery life. So that means more time gaming and less time searching for batteries or waiting around for a recharge. Even if you already have a controller, consider things like local multiplayer. So games like Minecraft, Fortnite, Diablo. The overall gaming experience is amplified by having that extra controller, allowing you to team up with friends, family, and if you're lucky enough, maybe even your coworkers. If you're a PC gamer, certain genres like action-adventure titles often feel more natural with a controller, especially when you go wide to try and cut back on the latency. On the flip side, maybe you're all sorted in the gaming accessory department. Something like the Pulse Cypher Controller might just be the perfect gift for the other Xbox enthusiasts in your life. It's like a gift with a bit more of a personal touch. When you pair an Xbox Wireless Controller with an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate membership, you unlock the power of cloud gaming on almost any device. That means your everyday laptop, an Android or iOS smartphone, certain Samsung smart TVs, or even an Amazon Fire TV can now become your go-to gaming stations. So if you're at home, on the go, or at work, having one of these and Xbox Game Pass Ultimate give you the freedom to play your favorite titles virtually anywhere. With its standout design, versatile connectivity, and comfortable grips, It's definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for a new controller. Just keep in mind that sometimes these special edition controllers are produced on a limited run. So if you do like the look of the Pulse Cypher Controller, jump on it while it's still available. If you want to learn more about the Cipher series and other unique Xbox wireless controller designs, head over to xbox.com, or if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments section below. And while you're there, let us know what you think of the Pulse Cypher controller and what color variation you'd like to see next in the Cipher series. Thanks for watching.